Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another ICP internet computer update. Yesterday we were just saying that the next 48 hours could actually prove to be very critical here on the ICP internet computer price set. And for sure, within 24 hours, we saw the price rising up something like 20%, satisfying the condition that we needed to see there. So we want to take a look at the price one more time to see exactly where we are headed next, right? Before we begin here, I want to thank you so much for the love that you showed me on the previous update here. That was really fantastic. And, all I can do for now is just thank you so much and also wishing you a happy new year, right, as we are headed into 2024. I don't want to run my mouth too much, so let's quickly get back into the price. So what we are seeing here on a daily time frame is a work of accumulation pattern, and as I've said already, this is the sign of strength, right? It can actually be chaotic a little bit because, as you can see here with this schematic, it can actually be more of a washing machine. So really, I mean, it's up down, slowly but surely heading to the upside. So what I expect next year for the ICP price, of course, we are still expecting a price tag of something like $16 thereabout. But yes, we have had a good push to the upside here. We are still within that sign of strength range. So really, it shouldn't be surprising if this thing is kind of short-lived right here, because we are still working with that sign of strength right there, right, until we have a push to the upside hitting our price target there. So what you want to see for this washing machine to at least come to a conclusion is you want to see a break and close above this high that we set there at something like 11.90. So that's something like $12 thereabout, which is actually super close to our price target anyway. So that, in my own opinion, would actually say that this washing machine here with the sign of strength on top of the accumulation is over. This is the process with work of accumulation patterns, obviously, but as I said already, there really is nothing to be worried about. In terms of support levels, we have got very strong support levels starting at something like $8.80 thereabout. I mean, all the way down to something like $7.57. You can also see here the 0.5 retracement level that we were looking at yesterday. That's actually something like $7.38 thereabout. So I think we are pretty good there. And then in terms of price targets, we mentioned the $16 price target here, but that was not the only price target that we talked about. On a shorter time frame here, maybe the 4-hourly time frame, we were mentioning that we have got a bullish pennant here, which we were saying was going to break in, within the 48 hours that we were talking about. The measured move price target for this bullish pennant right here, we just set the length of the flag here, and then at a point of breakout somewhere here, which we already had. We are looking at something like $22 to $23 thereabout on ICP. So that's a fantastic price target, in my own opinion. Yesterday, when we were talking about this, we were saying that we have something like a 170% from our support levels, right? Obviously, that has reduced because the price has gone to the upside here, but as you can see already, the price is looking like it's going to backtest the breakout of this here. Let's see what happens in here, but as I said already, this can actually be a washing machine. Now, the $23 price target that we were quoting yesterday is also happening to come into confluence with this key level that we have here on the price set. I'm just going to show you in a minute why that is significant, but also just taking a look at it from a few adjustment perspective, we can actually see that relative to this peak here that we had the barely prior to the capitulation, we saw that is also the 0.236 Fibonacci adjustment level. So we are looking pretty good with good confluence there, and I feel pretty good about it. But I also wanted to show you why I am confident about these levels here. So just take a look across the market here. We have SIA coin, for example. You can see that it has already hit that price target here, which would be the equivalent of $16 here for our ICP price set. And then we can also take a look at an example of storage. You can see that honestly, the rest of the market has gone back to these levels here, and some of them have even tried to challenge the top part of this rally prior to this capitulation. This was happening right around like February 2022, and you can see it printed across all the charts, right? You can even see it here on Ocean Protocol. You can see the same thing, right? The price rising, at least challenging those ones, and even trying to challenge the top part of that rally prior to that capitulation. You see it even here on Akash. You even see it here on Bitcoin itself, right? This is exactly where we are sitting, trying to challenge the top part there. So there are two price targets that we have: the bottom of that rally prior to the capitulation and the top there. And then we also have the same thing even on Bitcoin Cash. It literally got rejected right at this bottom of this rally prior to that capitulation that you see here. So I mean, basically, this is the market structure that we have printed all over the place. This is Ethereum, this is Polygon. I mean, we can go on and on. This is Render, for example. But for me, the most important thing really is the market cap of ICP itself, because it has already done the things that we are expecting the price to do here. For example, take a look at this. This is the equivalence of something like $16 that we are talking about. On the ICP price, we are still sitting right around these levels here. We still have got room to grow, to just play catch up with the rest of the market, as well as the market cap itself. The differences between, the market cap as well as the price at the structures are different because of the circulating supply that keeps being added into the market by this. So you already see also the second price target that we were looking at, the $23, has already been hit here on the market cap. So it's just a matter of time, in my own opinion, before that price that is up even with its own market cap right here. But you can also see that we are trying this resistance here on the market cap. I think the moment that we are having a break and close above these levels here, a daily candle at least, I think we are going to see like acceleration in terms of the price action here on ICP. So yeah, that's pretty much all I had today. We are still on track for our $16 mark here, as well as the $23 mark that we have on ICP here. But obviously, none of what I say is financial advice, and you shouldn't buy or sell anything because of anything I say, all right? But if you like the content, don't forget to delicately tap the like button, share the video with your friends and family, and then I'll have to see you on the very next one. Take good care of yourselves. Bye.